You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Ford Pass app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Ford Pass app is a handy companion for Ford owner, letting you remotely start your car, lock or unlock doors, locate your vehicle, and even check fuel or battery level. It also offers vehicle health report, maintenance reminder, and access to roadside assistance, all in one clean interface. When it worked, it had a real convenience to daily driving. However, the app reliability can be a bit or hit miss, with user reporting connection drop, slow update, or remote features not working consistently. Not all vehicles support every features, especially older model without built-in modem. Overall, the Ford app is worth using for modern Ford owners who want extra control and peace of mind, but expect occasional glitches along the way. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.